In this Any Size Image Secrets review, I'm going to be showing you a training that's going to teach you how to sell images that can be made into any size that you can actually create and sell on different marketplaces using a strategy that's proven to work. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Any Size Image Secrets, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says publish, sell, and repeat. No writing needed. Simple method to turn digital content into passive income gold mines. Create once, sell over and over again. Secret strategies revealed. So essentially, what Amy is going to be teaching you inside of here is how to create what's called an SVG file, a scalable vector graphic. It can be made into any size. It doesn't get blurry when people make it bigger or smaller, but most likely more in the bigger aspect of it. And these are things that people can actually use to create different digital products, or they can create like different printable products, and they are in need by these different businesses, and you can actually create these and sell these to them as a service and as a business here. So there's people actually paying for these because they need these images for their products. You can actually see here that it's 48,000 times every month it's searched for on Etsy. It gets 45,000 monthly searches on Google. And there's dozens of niches that are out there for people looking for these type of images for their products. So inside of here, they're going to be teaching you how to create best-selling textile images, converting free images to SVGs, free conversion tools, creating SVGs with free tools, more free creation tools, checking your image quality, and then saving your image files into multiple formats using this training here. So she's got this all included inside of this product. All the training is delivered in a members area where you can actually access everything. It's got video training and whatnot, so you can learn exactly how to use this and how to monetize these different images. Now, I'm going to go ahead and play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back and show you a little bit of what the backend area looks like and the upgrades.
I want to let you in on some of my best secret strategies for creating simple bestsellers with just a few clicks of the mouse. These digital products don't require a lot of work to create. No writing is needed, and you don't need to be a graphic designer or have any technical skills. You know that I can't say enough positive things about low-content printables and digital downloads. They're easy to create, require no inventory or shipping, and people buy them over and over again. So I'm always on the lookout for new printable and digital content revenue opportunities. And every once in a while, I discover something truly special. So what are these best-selling digital gold mines? Any size image or SVG files. Introducing Any Size Image Secrets. This course reveals absolutely everything you need to earn money selling any size images, including all of my tips, tricks, and shockingly simple strategies for SVG creation. Whether you're looking for full-time income or a side hustle for extra cash, Any Size Image Secrets makes it easy for anyone to succeed in this best-selling niche. Scroll down now to learn more.
Okay, so after you purchase, you're going to have access to a members area. Now, this is just a little bit of a glimpse of what these images actually look like, or sorry, what these videos actually look like. And they've got just like videos walking you through the entire process of this, how to do everything in a step-by-step process, assuming that you don't know anything about how this whole process works. Now, there are a few upgrades here. The first one here is step-by-step videos done for you, templates and bonuses that you can quickly customize, publish, and sell, and sell any of these images in tons of different niches. So this is an optional upgrade for you. Again, it's just it's an optional one. You don't have to get it, but it's there for you. And I'm trying to find the price for you on this one. I know it's not going to be super expensive for this. The next one, it says, what if you could tap into a high demand, low competition gold mine with over 45 million repeat buyers every single month? So if you want to get this one here, this is low content products and printables. So this is something that you want to get into. She's going to be showing you how to do that with this product here. And you can check that out once you get to the sales page. And then we've got one more, which is about public domain products. So if you want to be able to monetize things that are available in the product in the public domain, this one looks like it's $77 for this one. All these are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Any Size Image Secrets and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, it's the fact that it's not a very is hypey marketing that's done on this. Like a lot of times there's like screenshots and stuff. It gets you guys all excited. I don't want you to think that there's no opportunity in this just because it doesn't have crazy screenshots and the marketing isn't just like over the top. What do I like about this? That being all said, I mean, this is a product that is going to be teaching something that's actually being sold right now. This is something that people are actually purchasing. If you want to learn how to do this from someone that's actually doing it, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Any Size Image Secrets review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.